I'm Dr. Cynthia Hinojosa. I'm a naturopathic physician in Phoenix, Arizona. I practice general wellness and aesthetics in the Valley. It's been really exciting. I've gotten to talk to a lot of doctors throughout the world, and we're all excited to be able to go back to our clinics and help our patients the best that we can.
So you've been happy with the training?
Oh, definitely. It's very comprehensive. It shows you the business side and the treatment side.
And did you have one or two procedures?
I had one procedure, but it was microneedling with exosomes and light therapy.
That's right. And you were also able to do some as well, right?
Yes, definitely. So I was able to perform some of these therapies on other practitioners so I could get a feel of the devices and the products.
So do you feel more comfortable now incorporating the therapies into your practice moving forward?
Definitely. So I'm ready to start my Monday with new treatment plans that were provided by R3.